Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And the product that we are going to review today is the new biscuit that's in town, which is the Pran Potata. So guys, this is the Pran Potata spicy biscuits. So today we are going to review them. So let's start off with a review of the product. So guys, it comes packaged in this nice plastic pouch here. Right on top we can see the Pran branding here, and then the Potata branding right in front of it, and it says spicy biscuits. So these biscuits have a lot of spice here. Story of spicy potatoes. So it's called a story of spicy potatoes. So basically these biscuits are made out of potato. Moving on to the back of the pack, here we can see the nutritional facts are given here, and on top Pran and Potata is written in some Indian language which I am not understanding. And here are the nutritional facts. Like I told you all, every 100 gram packs in 458 kcals of energy, 8.1 grams of protein, 72.8 grams of carbohydrates, of which 22 grams are sugar, 14.9 grams of fat, of which 1.1 gram is trans fat, and the saturated fat of 5.6 grams. Storage: like all other biscuits, store in a cool and dry place. Once opened, keep it in an airtight container and consume within 7 days. Right? Now coming to the price of the product, the MRP of the Potata spicy biscuits is rupees 25. So the MRP is rupees 25, and let's look at the net weight. Is the net weight given somewhere? Net weight is 100 grams. So 25 rupees, 25 for 100 grams of these biscuits. So it's a pure vegetarian biscuit. Right here it's mentioned. Here are the ingredients. Ingredients are refined wheat flour, sugar, vegetable oil, potato paste, seasoning powder, potato flakes, raising agents, tapioca, starch, invert sugar, whey powder, salt, and mixed spices. Flavor enhancers as well. The allergen warning: contains wheat, gluten, milk, may contain soya, peanuts, tree nuts, sesame sulfites. So that's all the information available here. Let's go ahead and open this packet. On opening the packet, inside here are the potato biscuits, basically made out of potato, and they come very nicely stacked in this plastic container here. So these are the biscuits, very fine biscuits here, made out of potato. Let's take one and look at it. So here we have one biscuit here, the Potata biscuit, and it has been sprinkled with spices. If you all can see it, it is sprinkled with spice powder, and it looks very nice and fine and crisp. It looks, and I just can't wait to do a taste test. So guys, this is a taste test of the Pran Potata biscuit. Very crunchy, very crispy, very flavorsome, right amount of spice, very tasty. Amazing. Very flavorsome biscuits. You just can't stop at having one. The spice flavor is similar to Masala-coated, the Britannia Masala-coated, but definitely these are made out of potatoes, so they are adding a much more better flavor than that. They are much more crispier than Masala-coated. So definitely I really like the Pran Potata biscuits, spice biscuits. They are very nice. I really like them. Something unique in the market right now. So if you all haven't tried it out, you all should definitely try out the Pran Potata biscuits. Really amazing, tasty biscuits here. You all should definitely give it a try. So guys, this was my review about the Pran Potata biscuits. I really liked it. I will definitely give it a 5 on 5 for this amazing new snack in the market. If you all are looking to buy it, it's available online on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.